Hello, everybody. Welcome to the ALGO online retail channel. My name is Sofia. I'm one of the main coaches here at ALGO, and I've been selling on Amazon for more than 7 years. And I've taught thousands of people in the US, Mexico, Canada, UK, and Europe how to sell. And one of the questions I get the most is how to find suppliers. For some reason, new sellers think that finding suppliers is kind of hard. But in reality, finding suppliers is very, very easy. The important part is knowing how to negotiate with suppliers after. But for the sake of this question, I'm going to teach you an example of how to find big name brand suppliers fast and quickly wherever you are in the world. In your country, you're going to get to find your own big name brand suppliers. So hang in there. I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll get right to it. Okay, so here we are using the world's most popular search tool, Google, to search for suppliers for Disney products. So just keep in mind that I'm in actually Europe. I live in Spain. I teach all of my students from Spain. So all the results are going to be for Spain. But when you do this Google search in your country, you're going to get results specifically for your location. So this can be done wherever you are in the world. And even if you're traveling, you can find new suppliers wherever you're traveling. So here I searched for Disney wholesale. So Disney are very popular products. I don't even have to say. So I'm just going to skip all of these ads, all of these advertisings. And well, I actually could enter these, but I'm just going to head out to Ocio Stock because it's the first non-advertising. And here I have this first link. Okay, so this Ocio Stock supplier handles most of Disney's main storybooks, main brands, main movies that we would like to sell. And if I just keep scrolling down, I can see that they also have Funko, which is this very, very popular brand. So this is very interesting. I mean, this supplier could get me for days looking at products. So I can see that they have the main characters and the main products. So this is obviously very, very interesting. And they're here in Europe. So I can actually see their full catalog by brand, by movie, here by superheroes. I can see the type of products that they have. They have games and toys, board games. So this is very nice. This is a very, very nice website. So after I found this one and I've talked to them, I've contacted them, I've introduced myself and made an account with them here. So I really, really like this website. So I would want to find maybe 4 or 5 more wholesalers in Europe that are like this one, that also carry Disney toys. So I wouldn't want to stick just with one. I would like to compare prices and compare just the general service. And that's what I recommend you guys to do. So what we're going to do to find even more suppliers like this one is I'm going to share with you one personal secret and tip that I hold very close to my chest because I have found so many wholesalers with this, but today I'm going to share it with you. So we're going to open a new window and I'm going to search for SpyFu. So SpyFu is this awesome website that has a paid engine, but we're just going to use the free tool. And the free tool that they have is that you will enter whichever domain you're looking for, and SpyFu is going to search for similar websites. So they're going to search what are the competition of these Ocio Stock. And now I can see right now I put ociostock.com and SpyFu is going to give me for free. So go ahead and do your free account with them. It's going to give me for free so much valuable information about this website. So first of all, they're going to tell me just like fun fact things, but we're gonna focus on this part right here that says competition. So this is where you really want to focus on. This competition section is where SpyFu gives you stores or websites that are similar to the one you looked for. So here's where we're gonna get a few other wholesalers that are probably selling some of the same products or similar products and are a competition for Osio stock. So I'm just gonna open them on another link and we're just gonna get going with it. So this is a very easy way to find some new suppliers wherever you're in the world. As I said, you could be traveling and you're gonna get different results depending on what your location is. So this is a very fun and interesting way to find suppliers. So I have this one game.it. They're obviously from Italy, so very easily they could send me here to Spain. And again, they have all of these products. Funko again, they have the Simpsons, let's see, they have Star Wars, they have Pokemon, they have all of these also name brands that we could start selling right away. Again, Star Wars, they have Marvel, they have Harry Potter, they have all of these popular movie products, and we can just get going here, open an account again. We can search by brand. We can see which brands they have. They have Crayola, if you can see here. So not only movie types of products, but they also have some huge name brands like Crayola. So again, another wholesaler to contact. And this way we can just go on and on. I mean, remember what I looked for on Google? I just searched for Disney wholesale. So what if we kept trying for example, Crayola wholesale or Star Wars wholesale or wholesale? What could we get in a combination from Spyfo and Google? We could get thousands of different suppliers to start selling right away. So yeah, I mean, I encourage you to use these tools. And again, the question was, is it easier? Is it hard to get suppliers? Many of the new students always have this big fear of not finding suppliers, but actually finding suppliers is not that hard. What is really important is to have a recollection of suppliers that can send you to an Amazon FBA a warehouse, that can sell to FBA sellers, and that will want to go into business partnership with you. So if you want to learn more about how to negotiate with suppliers, I'm going to have a live webinar soon. So just click the link below. We can talk about that. Any questions you might have and that were unresolved in this video, just click the link below, register for that live webinar, and I'll make sure to answer those questions. So thank you for being here, and see you soon.